Hello.
Hello. My name's Alan. Hello, everybody. Hardest part is getting into the boat. The rest is easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rest is easy. Sit back and relax. We'll be out here for a nice hour. I'll even turn the air conditioner on for you. How's that? Okay, this is the geographic heart of Winter Park. It's called Lake Osceola. It's the almost exact geographic center of the 8 square miles that make up Winter Park. It's a natural lake. It's one of 6 that make up the Winter Park chain. Today the water temperature is about 78 degrees.
Are the lakes connected?
The lakes are connected. We can get to 5 lakes in normal water level times. Right now we're in a drought. We're down 3.5 feet, so we only get to 2 lakes. After the rainy season begins, the lakes, of course, will come up, and it won't be too long. We'll be able to get back to the North Lake. This gives us an opportunity to spend more time on 2 lakes instead of less time and do 3 lakes. So it really is a win-win situation. The drivers will show you in detail about the 2 lakes. Normally we just sort of cut them in half, so we don't have to do that today. Now, the population of Winter Park is 29,000. The average age is 47. And we're going to have the lakes to ourselves. Monday to Friday, people are working. They're at their office, and we're out here having a good old time. We have 3 art museums. The first on your right here is a 3-acre museum. It's called the Pulaski Museum and Sculpture Gardens. There are about 200 works of Pulaski sculpture on display. Some of it is rather large, it's life-size, and others of it is small, set up on pedestals. These people are visiting the museum. It's become a very popular place for weddings, and weddings held among the 3 acres there. Reception in the building, that gray and white building is was a private home. That house was built in 1885. The little town was established in 1882. A year ago, the house was donated to the Pulaski Museum. Previous owner was going to knock the house down, going to demolish it. I'll show you the new one later on in the hour. The Winter Park Historical Society did a house intervention. $700,000 later, that house is now part of the Pulaski Museum. Look how low we are. You can see it's just look at here. Oh my gosh, these roots are exposed.